Hi, I'm Mike May, and I'm going to show you how to set up your charts. When you first open MetaTrader, this is what it will look like with these 4 charts and all the indicators. Now we know that all the indicators don't work. I've been trading for more than 30 years and I've trained so many coaches in South Africa and worldwide, and they're finally adopting my blank chart system and teaching it, which I'm very happy with. Good luck. Right, so what you do is you can either take one of these charts that are there and you maximize it, right? You then right click, everything on MetaTrader is right click, and if you scroll down you'll see grid. Click on grid, the grid goes away. Now I want to change this chart not with a black background, I want a white background, and you can clearly see the candles are all one color, so we need to change the color of the candles too. So once again, you just right click, scroll down to properties, and it'll bring up this window. Now do you see it says background is black? We'll change the background to white, and then obviously your foreground you need to change to black so that you can see all the dates, times and numbers. Now your up bar is green, which is fine, industry standard. Down bar is green, which we now wanted red as industry standard. Our bull bar is black, so we want to make that green, and our bear bar we want to make red, so we make that red, and you just click OK, and there we go. You have a blank chart with just a straight blank chart, right? Okay, you can see that there is an indicator on here. If you want to get rid of it, just go to indicator list, moving average, delete, because it doesn't work. Really, it doesn't. It took me years to convince some of the coaches here in South Africa to use the blank chart, and now they are using it and teaching the method. Right, so now you have the blank chart, and I would change it to a daily, and now go up to file, go 4th one down, profile, save as, and call it daily Mike. If you go OK, it has now saved the chart. Now in order, you can see we're on the Euro USD. If I want the Great British Pound, I highlight it, I left click, hold, drag. You can see on my arrow here is like a little envelope. When I release my left click button, it will change the currency. Okay, once again, let's say I want the yen, I just left click, drag, drop, and it will change the currency. Okay, now let's say I go back here, okay, and I want to create a new chart from scratch. Okay, this chart will always be here, I'll show you in a few seconds. All you would do is right click on the currency on the left hand side here on market watch, and go to chart window. See, it brings up a new chart, right? Same story, maximize it, right click, get rid of the grid, right click, go down to properties. Okay, this time we'll leave the background as black and the foreground is white, but we will change the color of our candles or bars. So the bar is currently up is green, we want the down bar to be red, so we would make that red. Our bull candle we want to be green, so we go and make that green, and our bear candle we want to be red, so we make that red, and just press OK. There we go. Now you have your chart that looks like this. Now obviously you can't really see the bars, so if you go up here you'll see it's on bars, change it to candles. Okay, and then if you just zoom in on the plus minus, you can now see the candles. Okay, if you zoom in more, because I like to trade price action, pure price action, so I need to see big candles. Right now you can see that I can't see whether this is all the data on the edge of the page, so clearly you just press the arrow over here and it will take you to the end of the chart. So in other words, let's say you were there, right, and you want to see that you make sure you're at the end, all you do is you go back here to your red arrow, shift, and it'll move the chart back. Okay, same story now. Should I want to save this, I will just go File, Profiles, Save As, and we'll call it Black Chart. Okay, type it in, go OK. Now watch this. If I go to File, Profiles, and I scroll down and I go to Daily Mic, okay, we are back to where we started creating the charts, right? So once again, if you go File and we go to Black Chart, well, there's the black chart. So if you go File, once again, okay, and you can delete this. Now we have this, and you want to keep this chart. All you do is minimize it, delete this chart, delete this chart, delete this chart, and you now have your blank chart. Okay, so remember, File, Profiles, there's our black chart, right? If we want our blank Daily Mic chart, just go Daily Mic, and there it is. Change currencies again, click on US CAD, left click, drop and drag, and it'll change. Unfortunately, you do need to be connected to the internet in order to change charts. If you are not connected to the internet, when you drop and drag, it will not change the chart to a different currency. It will remain on the currency you are on. Right, I hope this video was helpful. I will be making a short video on shortcut keys. Please look out for it. Thank you, Mike May. Good luck with your trading, and please remember that indicators don't work. Please trade with blank charts. Thank you. Bye.